learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all. Today was a beautiful, sunny day in a small city located in the heart of Latin America. A group of middle school students were heading to the local museum on a fun, educational school trip. The museum displayed many ancient art pieces and relics, but what they were looking forward to most was the Estrella Gallery. Once inside the museum, students contemplated the beauty of the historical building and the beautiful artwork that decorated the walls of the place. The museum guide then led the group to a room dedicated to the Atrian civilization. There were wonderful mosaics and amazing sculptures reflecting the heritage of the ancient Atrians. When they arrived at the room, the disciples' eyes opened to a wonderful sight. There were golden figures depicting Atrian gods, ancient kings, and the daily life of the Atrian people. Colors were bright and details were accurate. The students were fascinated by the historical depth of this ancient culture and by the remarkable artistic skills the Atrians used to create these pieces. While the guide was explaining important details about the displayed pieces, the students felt as if they were traveling through time to a different world. They were fascinated by the way they saw the universe, gods, and life in that distant era. After a long and exciting tour of the exhibition, the teacher asked the students a question: "What lessons did you learn from your visit to this museum and your viewing of the Atrian pictures and figures?"
We learned that history holds many wonders in different cultures, and that art can be a way to express creativity, belief in gods, and ancient history.
This visit was an unforgettable educational experience for the students, leaving them inspired to discover more about the world's heritage and appreciate different arts and cultures. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.